The stars have aligned. You feeling some type of way? We got you. Hey all you Aries assholes. Just kidding. Kinda. Saddle up! We know that freedom is your biggest turn on, but look out for that special someone that makes you feel like the possibilities are endless. And hop on that D. The D's are endless. For all the bitches who have locked it down already, it's time to try new things. Pack your bags, go on a trip, maybe try pegging, or light your boyfriend on fire. When it comes to your friendships, it's time to let new people into your life. Maybe try a house swap, move to Tokyo, become a foreign exchange student, pegging, you know. Yes, I see. Success is on its way, but don't forget to be patient and be persistent. You better work, bitch! You got some serious famous divas on your team. Not an Aries diva, but want to know what the stars have in store for you? Call me now.